ESIM.net SIM Honest Review Watch before using. Most people still relied on physical SIM cards, but here's the surprising truth. ESIM technology makes switching mobile networks easier than ever. ESIM.net is a digital SIM provider offering mobile data plans for travelers and remote workers. Here's what most people get wrong. They think ESIM is complicated. ESIM.net makes setup quick and simple. You scan a QR code, activate your plan, and connect instantly. The surprising truth is that ESIM plans can save travelers money on roaming fees. ESIM.net is best for frequent travelers and digital nomads. If you want flexible mobile data abroad, ESIM.net is worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more travel tech reviews and mobile data tips. Title start security honest review watch before using title the end script start security honest review watch before using. Most people think cybersecurity is only about strong passwords, but here's the surprising truth. One weak access point can expose an entire organization. That is where Securden comes in. Securden is a cybersecurity platform focused on privileged access management, password vaulting, and endpoint security. It is designed to protect the most sensitive parts of your IT environment. Here's what most people get wrong. They believe that storing passwords in spreadsheets or browsers is safe. In reality, this creates serious security risks. Securden allows businesses to store credentials securely, manage admin access, monitor user activity, and prevent unauthorized actions. The surprising truth is that many breaches happen internally, not externally. Securden helps prevent insider threats as well as external attacks. Securden is best for IT teams, growing businesses, and organizations handling sensitive data. If security is a priority for your company, Securden is worth a closer look. Subscribe to the channel for more cybersecurity tool reviews and digital safety tips.